Assalamu alaikum. What? Assalamu alaikum, guys, and welcome to Sheikhs Place with your host, Chef Shakur. Now, I'm here on request of some of my friends who wanted me to cook some of my recipes that they've seen me do on Instagram. So I thought I'd share them with the rest of the world. Hopefully, you guys will, cook with me. Share your pics as well, if because what I want to do with you guys is I want you guys to be part of the adventure. So I'll make one video a week where I show the ingredients, and the next video during that week will be cooking the actual recipe. So get involved, send me your pictures, give me a like if you like the video, subscribe, hit the notification button wherever it is, and give me a nice comment. Also share a lot of your pics. I don't know if I said that already, but share your pics. Let's see what the world's doing with the cooking out there. So today I thought I'd just start it really easy. There's nothing too complicated with cooking anyway. I always say that anybody can cook. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a jerk sauce to go onto some chicken, which we're going to be barbecuing. So I'm going to be making you guys a jerk chicken. Yeah, which should be fun. So let's get on with the show, as they say. Also, a special mention, Wagwan Cozies all over Bradford and Birmingham. You know what I'm saying? You know who you are, my cozies out there. So, assalamu alaikum to you guys as well. So, we're gonna start off with our dry ingredients. Sorry about the noise, the neighbors are awake now. So, first thing I'm gonna use is 3 chopped, that don't have to be finely, just roughly chopped spring onions, a couple of cloves of garlic. I recommend 6 to 8. 1 fully chopped red onion, fresh thyme. You only need 2 of these. Just take the leaves off the stem. Should be okay. Actually, I've got a question for you cozies out there, yeah? Do you think you're hard? Do you think you're hard? Can you handle anything? So can you handle this? Yeah! Let's see if we can handle these bad boys. So, these are Scotch bonnets. They're really, really hot, so be careful. They recommend that you should, depending on your heat levels, I'd say put about 3 in. And if you're really, really brave, put the seeds in. I'm brave, so I'm going to put the seeds in myself. I'm just going to take the little stem off, which you're going to see here. And I'm going to keep the seeds. Bear with me. Like that. So, that's going to go into our blender. Next, I'm going to start off with the powders. The most important ingredient for any jerk sauce is this, which is it's meant to be a pimento seed, but if you can't find any pimento seeds, just use you can go to your local supermarket and you can get something called allspice. It should be there in the spice rack with everything else. We need roughly about 3 teaspoons worth of that, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves. One of my favorite things, smells beautiful, which is ground coriander. So I'm going to put 1.5 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1.5 You can put 2 if you like, but I'm gonna put 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. So roughly about 2 tablespoons of ginger, 3 teaspoons of sea salt. That's about 1 tablespoon worth of pepper. That's our powdered ingredients done. Next we have our wet ingredients. Half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of olive oil, third of a cup of soy sauce, third of a cup of vinegar, and finally a quarter of a cup of lime juice. And there you have it. That's your, well, that's my version of having the perfect jerk sauce. So now if I can find the lid. So, very important. Put that on top and then let that blend. And voila, we have our perfect jerk sauce. So we've got our beautiful sauce. What's wrong? Have you guys noticed it too? Yeah, I've had a heck. No, I haven't. The light went a bit bad yesterday, so I marinated the chicken. It's been going for 24 hours. I managed to change my clothes today, the Friday. So Jummah Mubarak to everyone who's watching this on a Friday. If you're watching it on any other day, hello. So I've got my chicken and I'm just going to put it onto the barbecue. I'm just going to put the fat side first, just to let it burn a little bit, and then we'll do the chicken. So I'm going to let that cook, and hopefully later on you should see some magic. But it's nearly done. We're just going to baste it one more time. Very important that there's 2 times that you should baste your chicken. 1, just before it's done, and 2, when it's actually done. So I'm just going to baste on this side. So I'm just going to close the lid just for a couple of minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, and then once it's done, it'll be ready to serve. So chicken should be now nice and cooked. Oh, doesn't that look beautiful? And of course, like I said to you guys before, best thing to do, just on the top layer, give it that extra, just got extra sauce, a little bit. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I love this sauce. I've made it many times, and I always make my barbecue chicken like this. have bought the ingredients and you make the sauce along with me, and if you taste it, you can't even taste the spice. And well, you can taste the kick of the cayenne pepper. What was it? Scotch bonnet. Sorry, not cayenne pepper. You can taste that Scotch bonnet, but then you can. It's quite zesty. It's quite fresh. You guys, if you did make it along with me, then you're in for a treat. And I hope you guys who have made it along with me, I hope you really enjoy it. My question for you guys this week, like I said on my promo, each week I'm going to ask you guys a question just about food. There's no right or wrong answer, just a bit of fun. So this week's question, I just want to ask, what do you guys think came out first? The chicken or the egg? The kukri or the anda? Please comment, like this page, subscribe, hit the notification button wherever it is, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum.